Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 8 Screencast video. So, as we move out of Chapter 2 and now into Chapter 3, this is all about the writing in the middle or working with the information from your source material. Hopefully everybody is collecting their sources for the annotated bibliography. This is recording is happening October 13th. That document is due on the 27th, so that would make it 2 weeks from today. So the initial post for the note takers triad, which will be discussion board 10, happens on Tuesday, and I let the responses go until Sunday on this particular activity. Pretty much a straight up reading activity for this particular post on discussion board 10. Just want to make sure that you're reading the sections in chapter 3 and reporting back your thoughts on how you work with sources responsibly. It's important to understand that the way to work with source information is the triad between quoting, paraphrasing, and summary. Summary has to happen for the annotated bibliography. So I want to get over to the modules for this week. Once again, that's just one discussion board post, so you have plenty of time to continue working on the annotated bibliography. It'll be very beneficial for you on how to build those summaries. Summary is an important part of the annotated bibliography, especially if you've watched the What's an Annotation video and read through the annotation or how to write an annotation section here. The second part of the 3 parts is summary of the source information. Obviously, the first part addresses reliability and credibility on your authors for your source information. Okay, then important part of part number 3 is the relevance and what it contributes to your particular research topic. All right, so remember, this will be due on the 27th. Separate instructional video here. Let me head back out to the schedule. So that's what we have for week 8. There'll be a lecture video on around about Thursday or no later than Friday morning, but it should be out about Thursday, about the chapter 3 content and how important writing in the middle is with your source information. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.